Hi everyone. In this video we will be seeing the price, colors, specifications and features of Realme C3. Welcome to our channel Tech Prime Info. The Realme C3 is available in 3 plus 32GB variant priced at Rs 6,999 and 4 plus 64GB variant priced at Rs 7,999. This mobile comes in frozen blue and blazing red colors. This smartphone features a 6.5-inch HD Plus mini drop display. It has an AI dual rear cameras that backs a 2MP portrait camera and 12MP main camera. It has a 5MP AI front camera. It is backed by a 5000 mAh battery and powered by a 10-watt charger. It runs on Helio G70 processor and Mali G52 GPU. The smartphone runs on Realme UI 1.0 based on Android 10 OS. The Realme C3 has a 3-card slot with micro SD plus nano-SIM plus nano-SIM. It is expandable up to 256GB with micro SD. It boasts Corning Gorilla Glass protection and Airtight splash-resistant sealing. The mobile has Head SAR Value 1.113 watt per kg and Body SAR Value 0.531 watt per kg. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Prime Info.